Hello everyone. It is good to notice that Indian institutions has raised their ranking in QS World University Rankings Report of 2026. This report is published annually. This is published by a London-based global higher education analytics whose acronym is QS. Now, there are 54 universities in this ranking belonging to India, which is the fourth highest representation after US, UK, and China. In the Indian universities, IIT Delhi has been given the 123rd position globally, which is the highest among the Indian universities. Now, the last year, it was at 150th position. It has shown a good improvement. Now, though there are no Indian universities in the top 100 list, there are certain categories in which the universities have entered into top 100. For example, employer reputation category, there are 5 universities which are in the top 100. In citations per faculty, 8 universities are there in top 100. Now, PM Narendra Modi ji has said that they would be concentrating on R&D departments and its improvement so that in turn it will improve this university rankings. In R&D, India is at 39th position in Global Innovation Index of 2024. Do let me know in the comment section which organization gives this Global Innovation Index. Reasons for low research and development in India are expenditure is only 0.64% of GDP and private sector participation is only 36.4%. And also there are other problems like brain drain. Do let me know in the comment section what are the initiatives taken by Indian government to improve the research and development in India.